Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. Are we live? Yes, we are. Cool. Stream, restream, see if this works. I guess this one. So let me fix this real quick. Okay, pre-market stream, no. That is not right. Stream, no. That is not right. Needs to be. That is not right. Needs to be. That is not right. Needs to be. Needs to be. Needs to be. Okay, that's right. So why I'm hearing an echo though? Does it make sense? There shouldn't be an echo. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, let's get this show on the road. I think we're live, we're good. We're on YouTube, we're on X. I'm not sure why that was not connecting to the chat. Um, who knows what it is? Restream is doing weird things. It is not pulling in chat settings. Compact mode, sure. Appearance, colors, bot, filtering. I don't know what that really means, to be honest. Reply commands, bot. I think we're good. Not gonna worry about it. I think it's fine. So anyway, what are we looking at today? We're looking at a market that is freaking out. And if you're new here, um, not financial advice, just a guy that does a lot of research and loves the market. So take that with a grain of salt. I like to think I'm pretty good at this, and I'm doing what I can. I do research a lot and listen to a lot of information. So if I can help myself and help others, perfect. That's why we're here, right? We're here to learn. We're here to do better. If I can do this real quick, and then take that one, put it there too. Will this fit on my screen? Oh my gosh, it's crazy, isn't it? It's doing something. Yeah, I have extra screens here, like mad, or to put half these screens. What is this cable? What are you? An HDMI cable? Come here. I think you're going there. Let's plug you in. Be fun, yeah. See if that works. Give the peep something else to look at behind me. There we go. We're fine. It's all working. Now on split that. Separate views. View, no, full screen. Let's do it manually. That's not working, that's fine. I'm not worried about it. We're okay. I think we have enough screens, enough freaking windows open to do a lifetime. So here we go. Let's have a look at it real quick. Jump in here, look at the market. Where are we? I want to start with index funds, and Bitcoin is, I think, the most important thing to really talk about. That has to be the real elephant in the room, of course. I could probably close that one, to be honest. We actually need to make a Gemini logo. Why am I typing? Let's just speak. Make me a new YouTube logo for going live today. Title is Stock Market is Crashing, February the 5th, and have an image of Wall Street with a bear destroying everything. If you don't use Nano Banana, you definitely need to use it. It's just Nano Banana Pro. It's really good. Let's see what we got. Everyone uses it. They tell you they don't. They're lying to you. It's not bad. Download that. Thank you. Save. Go back up here. Channels. I want to update the picture. Update titles. Thumbnail. There we go. Replace that with the one we just made. There it is. Open. That'll be perfect. Happy with that. Anyway, yeah, so the market's taking a hit. Everything between software, SaaS, crypto, energy. I mean, there's just a never-ending list of stuff that's going down. Everything's being dragged lower. The Mag 7, apart from Meta, is being crushed, and it's not stopping. It's just going to keep growing. There seems to be no real reprieve coming here yet, and a lot of folks are getting quite concerned about it. I'm not worried yet because there still is a large part of the market that is not yet sold off. So I don't see the point in being too scared yet. If the contagion spreads to other sectors, then we should be worried. But a lot of companies are agreeing or holding on to their numbers. But apart from that, everything's down. You can see some high risk stuff, multi-baggers for 2026, more high risk plays. They're getting crushed. Your ONS, your APLD, Zeta, which has become extremely popular online. I do hold some Zeta, PGY, SoFi, which is completely unjustified. There's just so many stocks getting butchered. So that's what we're looking at right now, and it could be a really good day for people to buy in, to not panic. Here on Pretty Financial, we don't panic. We buy the dips. We like to hold long term and pick up winners whenever they're cheap. So actually today could be a fantastic day to buy the dip and get some of your favorite stocks that are currently, on sale. Nvidia's catching my eye quite a bit. So is SoFi. I did buy more Zeta, and I'll probably buy some more today or tomorrow. I'm not too interested in trying to time the market, so to speak. I do prefer to buy a little bit periodically whenever things look good, and I like the numbers today. They're a lot better than they were a few days ago. Things are a bit cheaper, so it makes sense to me to potentially deploy some capital to buy these things whenever they're down a little bit. So that's what we're doing over here. We're just chilling, and we are just buying the dip, buy the dip, and don't stop. What else we got? We're looking at some more over here. Space and drones taking a hit. RCAT. My gosh, like 12%, 10%. These were running pretty hot, and now they're just getting punished. And we'll go back to maybe a 1 year chart. This thing was up to $7, and now it's back down to $3. So pretty big rude awakening for Rich Tech Robotics. And yeah, if you believe that they have a strong future in robotics industry, now might be a good time to line your pockets. But that's not good. A lawsuit for securities fraud. Yeah, I wouldn't be buying this. ONDS is one that we love. It's a huge favorite on FinTwit. It's taking a nice, beating here today. It's still up 6 months, 150%. So you got to be careful with these things. Like there is a huge bunch of retail that bought heavily here. I bought pretty late on. I think it was $3, maybe $3. I think my entry was right here. So I should have sold up here like everyone. We should have all sold when it was up so high, but we didn't. We all got greedy. And here we are. We paid the price for being greedy. You got to hold on and not panic. Really, just got to keep staying strong. Um, let's go back to the Mag 7. I want to sit there for a minute. So Google, Microsoft, Tesla, um, Apple, and they all put up incredible earnings reports. So the sell-off feels to me incredibly unjustified. I mean, Nvidia alone had an incredible earnings report. I encourage everyone to like look into that, check it out. If we go to Fiscal AI, we can actually see more detail. Nvidia right there. Yeah, they are expensive historically, but I'm looking forward to the future. Um, P, I mean, it's not that bad. It's arguably cheap when you consider they're the most important AI company and tech company in the world. So I know a lot of people are looking at NVIDIA thinking this could be a really good way to buy them. And the past year, they're flat for 6 months, really. They're back down to 172, which is right here, July 24th. So you may be getting a good opportunity there to buy NVIDIA when it's a bit cheaper. And we like what we see. We're pretty excited about that. I don't know about you guys, but buying the dip is what I love to do. NVIDIA may have to be bought up a little bit. I don't think I can let this opportunity for NVIDIA to pass me by. For some reason, X thinks I've got 11 viewers. They're all bots. They're definitely all bots. There's no way that's real. But we look at the financials of NVIDIA real quick. What do we see? Everything's locked. Damn. That was working earlier for me. Why have they blocked? Log in, that's why. I thought I was already in there. Let me back in. So yeah, total revenues, January 25, 130. Incredible, incredible. Just killing it. Let's look at the quarterly numbers. October 25, revenue, costs, and then gross profits, net income, basic EPS. Yeah, they're just really, really, really strong company and huge cash, absolutely killing it. The balance sheet, cash and cash equivalents. Yeah, I mean, cash flow looks good too. I don't know how anybody can be bearish on them unless you think the AI trade is falling apart. I don't see that it is, because how could it be falling apart whenever they are just absolutely just tearing it apart, just destroying every quarterly's numbers. So that's what we're looking at. I may buy more NVIDIA in one of my portfolios. I may buy more SoFi. I'm not sure. I need to like really look a bit deeper into like a few other options. Robinhood trails Bitcoin. I do love Robinhood. I would like more Rocket Lab as well. $65. I'm glad I sold this one. I had about 100 shares of Rocket Lab that I sold at this peak, and I was glad I sold, and it rallied back up to even bigger highs, which was super annoying. And now it's dropping back down to testing this 100-day moving average, the yellow line there. If you see it, if I can zoom in a little bit. It's not really not helping at all. It's funny. But yeah, Rocket Lab doesn't really deserve to be this high. It's a bit gross in terms of its evaluation. Let me close that one. See if we can pull up RKLB. Rocket Lab Corporation. Come on. Let's just go to their overview. So bear in mind, this company was up to like, was it $99? Yeah, pretty high. So where are we now? Let's see here. Market cap 39 billion, shares time 496 million revenue. So like this is pretty huge here. Market cap of 40 billion and a revenue of $554 million. That's pretty high. I think most people would tell you it's incredibly expensive. So this is what you have to like look into and figure out. Do you want to hold this? EBITDA negative, operating negative, pre-tax net negative, negative, negative. So again, you got to do your homework and know exactly what you're holding here. You're buying for the future. I love them. They're a great company. Price PE earnings doesn't apply because they're negative, and then EV sales, price target PE ratio valuation, it's very expensive. So, but yeah, what do you think it's going to be in the future? I think it has got a lot of love because of SpaceX IPO coming up, peak euphoria here, and it's now falling back down. This could be a good buy zone. I mean, it might go deeper given this big downturn. When you want to buy it again, possibly in the 50s if we keep falling lower. It looks like it's getting extremely close to a buy zone. Was there any news of a Rocket Lab? I don't think I saw any news of Rocket Lab. RK, can't spell it. KBL News. Previewed the earnings today. February 26th. Okay, not today. But yeah, there's no real negative news today. It might just be the overall fear of the market cutting down high beta stocks. That's what you need to watch out for there. But again, huge fan of Rocket Lab. I would like to own more of that. Hood, even Nebius, all these things are getting re-rated. They're dropping. I guess the blow off the top is happening. Iran is an absolute monster company, loved by all of FinTwit, I think, and it could be a screaming buy here if it drops below like $35. And it looks like that one, along with other energy and SaaS, are all taking a huge beating. So I would not be surprised to see this thing drop further. Anywhere you look, really, it's just deals upon deals, right? It's just stuff is going for sale. Come on, copy, and I think we're happy. Everything's working fine. Stream looks good. Give it a few more minutes. Let's go back to crypto real quick. Bitcoin $63,000. My gosh, that has been an absolute brutal day for them today. Let's go look at that on the daily chart. Market opened here. They're at 75. My gosh, they've fallen over $10,000. Has Bitcoin, when's the last time Bitcoin fell $10,000? That's insane. I mean, I kind of want to use it here in the pre-market, to be honest. 16, 15%. $12,000 if you go back for this, just get an absolute butcher. MSTR is probably going to fall below $100. That's what that looks like it's going to happen. We're seeing just new levels of absolute suffering in the market right now. But again, good time to buy certain things. Iran broke 40. That is brutal. This is going to be a nasty, nasty close to the market. Just 30 minutes left, 25 minutes left, and we'll see what happens. But I'm going to end it there, guys. Thank you all. I want to test the stream. It's working. Peace.